Hey everybody, Stephanie here. So we're going to make a quick pair of dangle earrings in this video, okay? So you're going to need two charms, whatever two charms you like. These are two just rhinestone gold charms. Okay, I'm going to use two dangle pieces. This is beaded and it's like a little rhinestone. They both came with jump rings. You're going to need a couple of other jump rings for each piece, okay? And then you're going to need two fish hooks. All right, so you can make a pair of earrings. And I got these extra dangles over here in case I decide to use them. All right, so let's go ahead to put the jump rings, which are 6mm. Okay, that's a 6mm jump ring. All righty, we are going to attach our charm here. All righty, and then I'm going to attach my little rhinestone piece. And I want the rhinestone piece to hang in the front. All righty, so let's do that. Hang that in the front. Alrighty, you could use any charms, any type of rhinestones you have, any dangles, whatever you want to use. Okay, close that up. Alrighty, because I've been kind of playing with this, so yeah. I always wanted to make sure it looked really good, you know. So yeah, close that up. All right, now we're going to take our other little beaded dangle piece. Let me show you this. Alrighty, this is just a little beaded piece. Yeah. Little beaded piece. I got these at Joann's back before they closed. They had a bunch of little cluster dangles all together, you know. So I take the jump ring and put it on the beaded piece like that. All right, and then I want to just attach it to this other jump ring because I want it to hang a little longer. And then I'm gonna take my fish hook, ear hook, and I'm going to attach that. So we should have a cute pair of dangle earrings. All right, and that's really super easy. All you need is three pieces for the dangles. And look at that, so cute, right? So we're gonna make the other pair here really fast. All right, now this one already had the jump ring on it. Okay, let's open that. Okay, open that. And then we're gonna add the rhinestone piece. Okay, so because I want it to be in the front of the piece. Alrighty, close that up. Alrighty, close it up, and then add our other jump ring. Alrighty, so we can put this on here. Alrighty, oh, there we go. Trying to open it here. Alrighty, so you see what I'm doing, kind of like that. Alrighty, all right, and I'm just going to add it here. I'm going to add it on this other piece here. Let's see. I'm going to add it like, let's see where I'm going to add it here. I'll just add it like right here. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is add my ear hook. All right. And we should have a fabulous pair of dangle earrings. Easy peasy. Alrighty. So this is just a quick little jewelry making tutorial. Basic, real basic. All right, let's try them on. Alrighty, here we go. All right, try them on here. Try them on. Okay. And there you go. All right, done and done. All right. Thanks for watching. Catch you next one. Ciao.